Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my last and final Boxy Charm unboxing. This is kind of sad for me. I really do love Boxy Charm. I think I've been getting Boxy Charm for like 6 years. But being in Canada, the prices have gone up quite a bit. I realize that they have gone up too in the States, but these boxes are now costing me almost $50 and they haven't really been worth it, so I did end up canceling just because it's not been worth it, and $50 is a lot of money to spend on products I'm mostly getting rid of. So yeah, all right, so with that all being said, let's get into the last Boxy Charm unboxing. And this is January 2000 and, well, this year's, but yeah, I realize it's late. Okay, so first off, obviously this is what it looks like. In here is, this is really cute. I'm not looking at the back though, so it says Boxy Charm, so fresh, so clean. January, you know, making everything clean and starting off a new year. So let's take a look at what's in here. And that is what is, ooh, that was kind of fun. Okay, oh, okay. All right, so let's just start off with this here. And this is a brand, I think it's called Farah. I think that's what it is. This is an 18-hour liquid eyeliner. This is in black velvet. It's got a little crown on the thing right here. I think that's kind of cute. However, this doesn't want to come out of the box. But, okay. So it is, yeah, your average black liner. I'm gonna do a little swatch here. So this one here, the second one, is the one that it looks like. It's very dark. It's kind of nice. It kind of blended into my lines a little bit, but I mean, it's not bad. Do I love getting liquid eyeliners? No. Okay, so this is a $20 liquid eyeliner. I don't know how well this stays or how well it's gonna stay, but for $20, I mean, I guess that's kind of an average price now for things like that. Okay, up next in here is this here. And this is Lovecraft Beauty, I think it's called. And this is called, this is called Quasar Goo. Is that the shade name of whatever the heck this is? It's a plasma gloss. Okay, what the heck is this? Never heard of this brand before. Never have I heard of a product like this before. This is interesting. Okay, let me see what the, okay, there's a description here. Let me look at this first. I mean, I like the package. I like the packaging that I just completely ripped open. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, so in here is, okay, Quasar Goo is the name of the shade. I don't even want to, what do I do? I want to take this off. Okay, so that is what it looks like there. I don't know why I smelled that. Okay. I don't even know what this is. What the heck is this? Okay, let me just read there's a description on here. Quasar Goo. Okay, so it says, this all-over gloss is a multifunctional buildable gloss that adds a dewy iridescent glow to your lips, lids, and cheekbones, or wherever you want to add some shimmery highlight. Okay, but this Quasar Goo looks like a penny. That is, oh, here we go. I don't want to waste this, but, oh, feels like lip gloss. Oof, no, I give this to somebody, no. I mean, it's a pretty color, but, so, this here, you're seeing this spot right here. This is what it looks like. It's kind of, it's not really patchy, but it's not like super pigmented. You can see that it's not really like super bright in all the areas. Let's see what this Quasar Goo costs. So the Quasar Goo. Just like saying that word. So the Quasar Goo product is $18. I don't think that that's a bad product for $18. Will I use it? Not really. No, I'm not going to use this. I'm going to give it to somebody. I don't even know what I would do with that. Okay. So then up next is from Persona. And let me guess, it's something to do with your lips. This is definitely a lipstick box. Persona. Oh, it's called an E-Balm. This is vegetarian and gluten-free. This is called, shade color is called Manifesto. It looks super cute. I like the container. That's kind of like the color it says that it's supposed to look like. This is hella red. Look how red that is. Ugh, jeez. Okay. How's that making noise? Ugh, yeah. Okay, so that is what it looks like. I guess it's like a tinted lip balm. Yeah, it's very creamy too. Like, that's what it looks like there. All right, so Manifest is sort of red. I guess if you only put it on and then like a little bit and mooshed it around a little bit, it wouldn't be so bad. It still is quite red though. We have 2 more items in this box, and I don't know which one to go with first. So do I want to go skincare or more makeup? Let's do skincare. So up next is this Earth Harbor Nebula. It's called, this is, I don't know how to pronounce that word. There is sea lavender and ginseng in here. Okay, you're gonna, so I don't know if my camera's gonna focus on this word here. That's what it says that it is for. I don't really know. It says on the back, the answer to finding peaceful energy and the light within your skin is written in the stars. Apply 2 or 3 drops to your skin after cleansing and toning as needed. Massage in until absorbed. For a daily skin cocktail, add 2 or more drops of the Earth Harbor Serum to your moisturizer. Okay. That seemed like it took a... Oh, that is a cute bottle. I like that. Is the serum the color that's on top? Yeah, it is. Okay, that's super cute. Oh my goodness. That is really fun. Okay, I really like the bottle. Let's, I know Earth Harbor products are not on the cheap side. So let's see what this Earth Harbor, this is a $46 product. So, I mean, not bad, not bad. And last is another very familiar brand, Wonder Beauty. So this here is a palette of some sort. This is the Sweet Escape palette. So it looks the same when you open it. Oh, ooh, okay. So there's a mirror, but there is, just throwing my fingers into this. This is what the palette looks like. Okay, I am definitely not mad at it. There is some gorgeous colors in here. I don't think I'll probably use these 2, to be honest, but like this one here, On Holiday. Oh, this reminds me of like a Color Pop. Not the texture of it, but it does remind me of like a Color Pop. What the hell are they called? Like something like Color Pop would have. Oh my gosh, that was like the biggest brain fart of the world. This is called Sweet Dream. Sweet, like as in like a hotel suite. Ooh, that's pretty. I put it in between these 2 colors here. Look at how pretty that is. Those are gorgeous. I am definitely keeping this palette. I haven't kept a lot of palettes from the makeup that we've gotten from here, but that is definitely something that I am keeping my hands on. All right, and how much exactly is this palette? This is a $42 palette. Well, I mean, that's not bad. Let's just calculate here. Everything together. So everything together is $126. I mean, that's really not the best deal when I'm spending. Oh, that's also American. So it'd probably be a little bit different if I was buying this stuff Canadian pricing, but yeah. All right, well, that was everything in this last Boxy charm. So I'm probably not going to be keeping the eyeliner and this whatever, this goo one. I'm definitely not keeping this. The eyeliner is a maybe, and then the lip maybe keeping, and then I'm definitely going to keep these two products. But yeah, so okay, so that was everything for my last Boxy charm. I'm not going to say that it's going to be my last Boxy charm ever. I may end up re-signing back up when things are a bit different. I know that there has been some talk about how there's going to be a big change to Boxy charm, so I'm not sure what they're going to be doing. And if it's something that I might really be enjoying, then maybe I'll go back to start getting more of them again. But as of now, I have canceled it for good. But yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!